Want to check if NFC is working properly on your Samsung phone? It's important to make NFC is functioning so you can use features like contactless payments and data sharing without issues. Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to test and diagnose NFC on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. To do that, first of all, make sure to install the Samsung Members app from the Play Store. Open the app, then tap Diagnostics. After that, sign in with your Samsung ID. If you don't have a Samsung ID, then make sure to create a new account. Then tap Phone Diagnostics. Tap NFC. Now it's showing normal to me. It will show normal if everything is okay. Otherwise, it will show not working if you have any issues. That's how you can check and diagnose the NFC on your Samsung phone. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.